jungle green and wide. An elephant stood with friends beside. He wriggled his trunk, his nose went tickle. Then came a sneeze, oh what a giggle. The monkeys flew and parrots flipped. A baby tiger even tripped. A giraffe wore a monkey like a hat. Everyone laughed and rolled where they sat. The animals brought a hanky bright. Blow it out and you'll be alright. The elephant smiled and gave a toot, and everyone cheered, you're cute, you brute.